Hello everyone. I'm going to create my board game. So I have come to the toolsforeducators.com website. I'm going to scroll down and find printable board games. And I'm going to choose, I think I will choose a Race to the Finish game. It has animals that are racing, and I think they would like that. I'm going to use clothes and accessories. I'm going to create a board game with images and some text. And before we do this game, I'm going to be doing a super simple song. I'll put the link in the discussion forum for you, because it's a great song to use for learning vocabulary. The kids love it. So I'm going to choose mostly things that they will have already had contact with in the song. So we've got boots, and let's see, I think I don't want to go in order totally alphabetically. So I'm going to put a couple of words that are not in the song but that they will understand. Let's get a cell phone. They're dying to have a cell phone, of course. And let's just scroll down. A coat. And then I'm going to choose gloves. That's in the song too. After gloves, let's see, a hat. I need a scarf there. Let's put the scarf in. And we need pants, and the pants. And raincoat's not in the song, but that would give me a chance to talk about composite words with rain and coat. So I'm going to put that in too. Let's see what else we can put in here that they might know. Mittens we can compare to gloves. And pajamas, it's almost the same in Italian, so they will definitely understand that. And it's a cognate, so they can use that one also. Let's put in a shirt and sweater and t-shirt. Okay, so now move ahead 5 is good. Go back to start here. Yes, I think I'll leave those. Lose a turn. I'm going to remove the full stops there, the periods, because I think that it's clearer for the children in a game board. And I'm going to change these. I'm going to say, no, actually I want them to move ahead 3. I'll put move back 2 and move ahead 2. Make it, and here is my game. Let's see, it's very nice. You see I have these little animals that are running, etc. And so at this point I'm ready to print, so I'm going to go here where I can find my print. And it will come up here and I can print it here, which is what I'm going to do. I don't find the option of saving it, which is too bad, but of course if you print it, then you can scan it and then make as many copies as you like. So that would be nice too. If anyone has found a way to save these, I would very much appreciate knowing how you did that. And so I hope you enjoyed this game, and we'll be talking to you again soon. Bye.